Hi, my name is Imad Hassan and my student ID is 215418009. Today, I am representing my assignment which was development of four applications such as Cute Emoji app, Pizza Ordering app, Animal Catalog app and Login Registered app. I will explain each app one by one in this video. First of all, I am going to run Cute Emoji app and this is the app main activity coding. I designed UI in Figma and develop it in Android Studio using Java. I use constant layout for front end and this is the app front view. 8 emojis adjusted in 2 columns and text view which is please touch one of the animal icon. Whenever I click on any emoji, our text will change. You select a cute cat with a specific color and emoji name such as you can see. We have a button called clear text. When I click on the button, the app will return to the default screen. One of the primary issue with the cute icon app was effectively manage the interaction between several UI elements like layouts, image views, text views and button. The main goal was to make the layout structure as adaptable as possible. By overcoming this obstacle, I was able to advance my knowledge to user instruction, which is an important ability of mobile applications, as well as layout design proficiency. Now I am representing the pizza ordering app. User of the pizza ordering app can add toppings to personalize their pizza. Select topping icons change dynamically and the total price adjusts accordingly. Users can customize their pizza by adding different toppings, each of which has a different price. The base price of the pizza is £6 and the final cost varies dynamically as users add toppings. This is the app main screen which I designed in Figma and developed in Android Studio using Java. We have several checkboxes with the text views. As you can see, the base price of the pizza is £6. Whenever any customer add their topping according their choice, the price will be changed according to the price of the topping. And the total price depends on the toppings they choose. We have two buttons in bottom. One is used for order the pizza and another one is used for clear that order. Handling checkboxes, arithmetic and logic operation cause hurdle throughout the development of the pizza ordering app. Although the idea of customizing pizza sounded simple, it took careful attention to ensure that the calculation were right depends on the topping chosen and the pricing. Key strategies including effectively managing the state of the checkboxes and updating text views to present the total price in real time. My capacity to work with user inputs and carry out calculation dynamically, which are essential abilities to develop interactive mobile application, has improved because of these exercises. And now I am able to develop these kind of applications easily. Now I am representing the catalog of animal app. This is the main activity coding. I use Figma to design this app and then develop it in Android Studio using Java. The app have two buttons which is previous and next. We also have small images icons in the bottom and with the horizontal scroll. When I click on any animal image, a large image with information of animal will appear. The previous button is used to go back the previous image and next button is used for next image. This is the app main screen which you can see. We have a bottom icons images with the two buttons and large images with the information of animal. We also have horizontal scroll in the bottom with the small icons of the images. We can horizontally scroll and then click randomly any of the images and a large size image will appear with the information of that animal. We have several images of different kinds of animal with information of that animals. As you can see, when I click on previous, the previous image will select and with the text, and when I click on next, the next view image of the animal will select. Making the items catalog, the application presented difficulties with handling dynamic information presentations, layouts and maintaining photos with an array. I faced a bug whenever I rapidly switched the images, text were not updating. In addition, the loading and showing of the photos during catalog browsing. By overcoming these obstacles, I was able to working with modern UI design with dynamic data display and critical abilities for creating mobile applications. At the last, I am going to represent the login and register app. This is the main activity coding. I designed this app in Figma and then developed it in Android Studio using Java. This is the app main login screen design, which we have two fields, username and password. Users are able to access the application by logging through the login screen. To use the application, user must input their password and username. This is a register activity coding for register screen, which we have several kinds of fields for the user registration. And then we have Android toast for custom toast. I built custom toast for the login and logout activities. Then we have database helper for using SQLite. We have SQL database in the mobile application, and then we have user coding for user information. If the user don't have any account, user can register themselves by click on the sign up text. After clicking on the sign up, a register screen will appear, which we have several kinds of fields such as name, gender, age, username, password, and e-password. Users must enter their full name, gender, username, password, and e-password to create an account. Also, we have several kinds of validation such as password and e-password validation. Fill all the fields. You can see I am unable to register without completing all fields. The app can't allow me to register. We also have a password validation such as password and e-password must be matched. After matching the password and successfully filled all the fields, we are successfully registered. Now I am going to log in through the registered information. After filling the username and password and click on the login, we have successfully logged in with the custom toast login successfully. This is the user information screen where you can see a name of the user on the top with gender and calculated age. After clicking on the logout, we can see a custom toast logout successfully. Realistic form creation, data continuity implementation, and user input validation presented obstacles throughout the development of the register and login app. It was essential to design the form to resemble actual registration screen while maintaining a simple and easy to use interface for users. It was necessary to carefully analyze edge case when implementing input validation logic for user entered data, such as they needed that the user fill out all forms, that the password and e-password should be matched. In addition to refining my form design and data validation abilities, this assignment expanded my knowledge of security in mobile applications for creating reliable and user-friendly applications.